it's me again, Rosh, and today we are here at Binangonan Rizal to show you this for sale resort. So come on and join me as I walk you through. This property has a lot area of 2,477 square meters. So dito, meron kang half-court basketball area pero pwede mo siyang i-convert into a garage na kasya ang 14 to 17 cars. And here, meron siyang mga maliliit na gazebos. And this area naman yung pinaka function hall and yung mga room. So, puntahan natin. And here, first natin puntahan is yung pinaka-function area nila. So, ito, good siya for team building. Kasi yung lawak niya, yung space na kailangan sa mga team building is meron siya dito. Like this. Then, andito yung pool area na pupuntahan natin later. So, baba muna tayo dun sa mga rooms. Then, here is the first bedroom. So, meron siyang bunk beds. Then, air-conditioned na rin siya. Then, on the next area naman is dito yung pinaka-living area. May storage room dito. And, ito yung full amenities. So, andito yung kitchen area. Then, this is the tinatawag na VIP karaoke room. Ayun yung dining area natin. Then, may malaking room tayo dito na may sarili siyang toilet and bath. And meron pa tayong 3 rooms here na same lang sila ng size and style. Like here, first. Dito naman yung pangatlong room na kapareho lang ng design with AC and 2 bunk bed. This is the first resort. Bali, dalawang resort kasi yung na-accommodate nitong area. So, meron kang first swimming pool is nandito siya on the side. Paglabas natin. Andito yung toilet and bath. And on this side, yung pinaka-first swimming pool area. Meron siyang jacuzzi or for a kiddie pool. Here. And may mga side chairs and tables. And on the side naman, yung pinaka-events area. So malawak yung pangalawang events area dito. Aside dun sa function hall sa taas. And so complete amenities na rin siya with own refrigerator, tapos may mga lutuan na rin tayo dito. May gas stove and everything. And tapos may mini kubo ka rin dito. Then marami pang chairs. So accommodate talaga siya for big groups, even in a company events. Then you have another place here, yung tinatawag nilang open karaoke area. So this is the side of it. Then dito, meron ka pa rin mga pahingahan na area. Meron to doon sa pinakataas. And nandito yung billiard area. So, activity area. So, makita natin, marami siyang place para makapag-relax and nakaka-accommodate siya ng mga maraming guests. Nakita natin dito, yung area niya talaga is a vibe of nature. Lahat ng areas niya, may mga trees. And maganda yung area kasi mahangin siya and refreshing yung vibe niya. Tapos marami pa rin siyang gazebo here. And another rooms na pwedeng i-extend doon sa pinaka-first resort. Then this one is air-conditioned din. So marami siyang bunk beds and may sarili siyang toilet and bath. Another one here. So, ganun din siya. So, 5 beds. Ang maganda lang is dito, dalawa yung toilet and bath niya. Then, meron pa tayong isang extension. If need pa talaga ng mga rooms, pwede siyang i-extend dito sa pangalawang area. So, pero partner to nung second events area natin. So second resort, full of bunk beds dito. Like this one, na meron siyang 2 bunk beds. Then, on this area, meron pa pang 3 rooms here. This one, 2 bunk beds din, pero may air condition siya. Dito naman is isang bunk bed lang, tapos isang single bed. Then, may isang room pa tayo dito na hindi lang siya open sa ngayon, and meron din 2 toilet and bath para sa mga rooms kasi wala siyang sariling mga toilet and bath. Then now, go na tayo sa second resort na meron pa siyang meron pa pala ditong room nga pala. Okay, ito yung mas malaking room kasi meron tong 5 bunk beds. So, accommodate to ng 10 guests. Then, sa side nito, meron siyang own toilet and bath. Yan. This area. And one thing about this resort is napakadami niyang space talaga na pwede mo pang ayusin pa. Na freely canvas. So, meron kang open space dito. Pwede pa to another garage eh. So, pag nakita mo siya, malaki pa siya ditong area. Siguro kasya dito mga 6-8 na car. So, balik na tayo para i-feature yung second resort. Ayan, meron silang mga lovebirds here. So, here is the second resort. So, may mga activity area siya. Mga mahabang tables and chairs. And here is the swimming pool area. So, same. Mas maliit lang siya ng onte dun sa isa, pero meron din siyang 4 kiddie pool and adult pool. Then, may mga seating area. Then, meron shower area dito and another toilet and bath. And on this area naman is your karaoke room. This is a private karaoke room. Yan. So, another room para sa activities ng mga guests. And meron pa rin itong sariling toilet and bath here. And ito yung another room. If gusto niya is yung mga old cabana style. So, ito is wala siyang aircon. And dito, makikita niyo na meron siyang mga side setbacks pa na open area. Makita natin to dito sa baba. Marami pa siyang open space na sobrang lawak. So, 2,477 lot area. And here, again, another function room. Ito yung pinaka-dining area ng second resort. So, complete amenities din siya, katulad dun sa isa. Maraming tables and chairs and kitchen amenities. And here's another mga gazebo for mga team na gustong magkaroon ng small, chill meetings. Yan, meron tayong 2 malaking gazebo. And meron tayo ditong koi fishes. And ito yung pinaka car garage nung second resort. So, kasya dito mga 4 na car. And That's it. As a recap, this resort has a lot area of 2,477. It has 2 pools that can accommodate 2 guests, and it has a total 13 rooms with a lot of gazebos and events hall. So if you want to learn more about this property, contact us today. This is Rosh of My Saving Grace Realty. See you on the next tour.